this is like a marbling plate. I want to call it like a gemstone plate. It just came out. It's CJS-405. So I'm going to open it up and hope that my nails are dried enough that I don't ruin them. So there's the plate. And then here is the sheet. They're really big images, so long nails shouldn't have a problem. And this one actually tells you like, it has like a little line for the images that go together to a single. Some of them are singles, so there's just like a little line. And then here's this. And the how-tos to get these looks here. Or you can just do whatever, because again, you can make them look like rocks or gems. My daughter actually collects them, so I got cookie crumbs. I was eating cookies. My daughter collects them, so she teaches me all about them. But first up, I'm doing turquoise because I just wanted to. I love doing turquoise. Actually, you know, I don't even know if I've done like actual turquoise nails. I know I've done like marble nails, like with water, because I sprayed it with hairspray to like do like marbly looking nails. Anyways, okay, so that was like a bajillion years ago. Anyways, so on my nails, I went with a more darkish turquoise. I almost used Uber Chick Beauty's Stamping Polish Beach House because I thought it was like perfect. But I didn't want to stain my nails, and I kind of like the darkerish turquoise, but that's an option if you have that. And I also had one from Salon Perfect, but it was so dried out, and this one is Gone Sailing. So, and it has like a tiny shimmer. I need to try and fix it. It was just so goopy and icky. I really wanted to use this one, but it's okay. So I used Yappa Taylor. So it's just a little tiny bit darker, which is okay. I forgot I had polish thinner. So I just put some in there to see if I can fix it, because I might use it for something else. So if you hear the shaking, that's what it is. Alright, so I'm going to take the blue film off. You always want to do that before using. Sometimes there's one, sometimes there's two. Some brands have a clear unless they stop doing that. Not sure. Okay, so I think for turquoise, I was gonna do these ones down here, but I might save that for something else. I really like this one. It's a single, but that's definitely not turquoise. I was thinking like opal or something. And then I kind of like this opened area here, but then I seen this, so, but I also, my daughter has different pieces. They kind of remind me of these ones both here. This one's more like speckled. I think I'm going to do this one the longer lines, but try and aim it like here. So it's a 2-step, and that's number 7. So we need to get, I'm going to do black for the bottom, and then I wonder if I should try like a sparkly. I'll try sparkly on my thumb and see if I like it, which is number 92. And then got one. Then for like the goldish, I think I'll do 123. This is a nice, good one. I was also actually thinking about 51. Maybe I'll do that as well on a different nail. And I don't remember if, on a different video, I knocked this over, and look at how much is gone. Like, it fell over and it came out so quick, but it's okay. So it's Cuticle PROtect from Clear Jelly, and I'm definitely putting it on because these images are bigger, and I know I'm going to be moving them around on my nail. So I'm just doing this and letting it dry, and I'll be right back. And now that I think about it, I think I'm going to move up to number 5, just minus this third step. So I'm going to do the first one and the second one. So I'm grabbing out, I'm going to do just regular black, so number 1 on this first here. And I don't think it layers on top, so you want to watch where you're getting your stamp from. So I'm going to focus in this corner because I wasn't paying attention. Up here for the first. So just right there, like this. And then we need that second layer. So for this one I'm using 123, and I need to go in this corner here. My nails aren't that long, but I need to remember where I stamped. Okay, so then actually, did I even pick up? That didn't even pick up all of it. Okay, so I'm going to clean. Make sure it's all clean. Those are like super fine lines as well, so you need to make sure that it is very, 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 very clean. Okay, so that it goes there. Okay, do I have that on my nail? Yes, I do. Okay, so getting, and this is kind of thick, so I'm gonna have to thin that one. So I'm gonna try 51 because I really like this one anyways. That's more of just like a pretty gold. Okay, so this is going to go right here, like this. There we go. Alright, so I'll do it once more and then finish off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and like do some decorations, I guess. So I'm gonna focus on that big piece there and just stamp like this. So then we want to, that piece is gonna go there. So that's what I'm gonna aim for, like this. And then that big piece goes here. And I'm just gonna turn a little and go down. Oh, look at that. Did I ruin it? Yay! I didn't ruin it. Okay, so make sure your jelly is in your holder the right way, because apparently somehow I messed up when I was cleaning it. So there. Now we need to clean the other side. Oh my goodness. Clean that side. Clean that side. So yeah. I don't know if that's ever happened. Except for when I didn't put it in the right way. Okay. Good as new. So I'm gonna do the other two and be right back. Okay. So I thought I was gonna add some like gemstones on it, or rhinestones, whatever you call them, jewels, anyways, but I just really like how they are by themselves. So I added a top coat, and I love them. So I'm gonna keep them like this, and yeah, I might add another video to this one, because I want to do like an opal, and I also want to do rose quartz. We'll see. I might add it or just do separate videos. We'll see. However, I hope you enjoyed this one, and let me know if you like turquoise. I do for many reasons, so I was happy to try this one first. My daughter suggested it. So anyways, alright, I will see you guys later. Bye.